Hi family, how are you all doing? How are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Yes, hope you're doing great. Welcome to another brand new video. Yes, this is Victorious Mirabel. Here we create modest, faith-based Christian content, how to navigate life as a child of God, like just putting God at the center of our day-to-day lives. I style my hat. Yes, so I just got this video inspiration because I woke up today and I had a twist out which had been for 1 week and my hair was just all over the place. So I was like, okay, I don't know how to braid. I can't braid my own hair to save my life. What can I do? We're on lockdown. There is no salon which is open. You can't even go to somebody's house to braid your hair. So what can I do? And this is where I just thought of the fact that, oh, my hats comes handy. Yes, for all those who follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, you know I love hats. Like I have hats, different size, different shapes, different brim. Like the brim, this one is bigger than this one, different colors. Yep. And this other big one, and I have this one on my head. Can you guys see? Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hats. And yeah, from those asking where I buy my hats, I buy my hats like every clothes store I go to. I go to your hat section or your accessory section. And yes, I have a big head and I have so much hair. Sometimes I go to the men's section. Like this one, I got it from H&M and it's from the men's section. I got this one and the black from H&M, the men's section. Yeah, so yes, this is how my 1 week twist out looks like. This is how I style my hat. Can you all see? So when wearing a hat, there is this trick I do with my hat. I remember one time I wore my hat to church and one of my pastors asked me, like, he's like, oh, remember when we were leading prayer, I was so scared your hat was gonna fall. How do you keep your hat in place? So this is what I do to keep my hat in place. I'm gonna take it out. I look for pins and I pin them in this inner part. It's another one this way. Like I use 2 pins and I pin them. So when I'm putting on my hat, if I want to wear my hat the whole day, I don't want breeze, I don't want it to fall, and then my whole unkept hair shows out. That's what I do. I put pins in my hat like this. I put my hat on where I want it to be. I use the pins and I just lock it inwardly like this. Like, can you guys see? Like inwardly. Can you see the pin? You lock it this way. You use this side. This is a pin, and then you put it inwardly into your hair. So this is a pin. I'm just gonna log it inwardly. Can you see? Log it inwardly like this into your hair, so it keeps your hat in place. Can you guys see? So no matter what I do, so this is my hair. I'm just gonna roll my hair to the sides. It depends on what you want. You can do it on your right or your left side. So I'm just gonna roll my hair to the side. Again, I'm gonna use my pins. Pull my hair to one side. I'm gonna use my hat again. Just make sure to tuck in the hairs by the sides. Tuck them into my hat. Yep. So this is the side. So we're gonna go into the third style. This style, I'm just gonna still work with this front area, this area. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the hairs at the edge, this front area, the edge like here. I'm gonna bring them in together like this. Grab hairs from this end, bring them in together like this. Grab your pin. Pin them. I'm gonna grab this ones. So that's how the corners will look like. That's how the corners will look like. So I'm gonna grab this ones. Just try to twist. Just try to twist the edges together. So once I twist it together, I'm gonna take it backward. Use my pin to pin it. Use another pin to pin it. So this is what it looks like a puff. I'm just gonna use my hands and puff it up a little bit more. Yep. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna grab my hat one more time. Just pop it in, tuck in my hair, tuck in my hair, and just bring it in. So this is what the style looks like. Style. I'm gonna take my pins out again. So this is my hair. I'm gonna start from this side. I'm just gonna twist in my hair. For those who can braid, I told you guys in the beginning of this video that I can't braid. So for those who can braid, you can do like a big cornrow, like a crown across your hair. But because I cannot braid, I'm just gonna twist my hair. So when I get to the edge, I just twist it more, twist it. And this side, I'm just gonna use a pin and pin it inwardly this way. I'm using a pin to pin it in here. Use another pin to lock it in. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah. So again, I'm just gonna use my brush, brush my hair. So this is it. This is how it looks like before I put on my hat. This time I'm gonna try the black hat. I'm gonna use the black one. This one is from H&M. So just pop in my black hat, tuck in my hair. If you can braid, you can just braid like a big cornrow from this part of your ear to this other end of your ear. Just make like a crown, like crown yourself like the queen that you are. Yes, crown yourself like the queen that you are. So this is what it looks like. So you guys realize that hats just take up it takes your dressing, it notch up, like you just change that crazy look, that crazy hair into something flattering. Yep. So some of the things you can do during this lockdown where the salons are not open, you can't do your hair and you have natural hair and you're struggling with, just use accessories, use your hats. And yeah, they are cheap. Like I don't think I have any hat which is more than $15. Some are $9, some are $10, $12. I think the highest I have, the most expensive I have is like $15. This one was a Christmas gift from a sister. She knows I love hats, and there is no price tag to this. So I don't know, the price is not there. And this one is from Aldo. This one is from Aldo. Yeah. So that is it for the